Imagine you want to send money to a loved one in another country. You've tried traditional banks, but the fees are high and the process is slow. What if there was a faster, cheaper, and more convenient way to send money internationally? Have you ever heard of Paysend? It's a revolutionary international money transfer service that's changing the game. In today's globalized world, sending money across borders is more common than ever. Whether you're supporting family abroad, paying for international studies, or simply making a purchase from an online store, you'll likely encounter the need for international money transfers. Traditional banks have been the go-to option for these transactions, but they often come with hefty fees, long processing times, and complicated procedures. This is where Paysend comes in. What is Paysend? Paysend is a fintech company that offers a simple, fast, and affordable way to send money internationally. It's a peer-to-peer platform that connects senders directly with recipients, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Here's how it works. Create an account. You can sign up for a Paysend account online or through the mobile app. Add funds. Deposit money into your Paysend account using various methods, such as bank transfer, card payment, or cash deposit. Send money. Enter the recipient's details, name, phone number, email address, and the amount you want to send. Choose a delivery method. Paysend offers several options for receiving money, including bank transfer, cash pickup, and mobile wallet. Confirm and send. Review the transaction details and confirm your payment. Key benefits of Paysend. Fast. Paysend typically completes transfers within minutes, so your funds can be available to the recipient almost immediately. Affordable. Paysend's fees are significantly lower than those charged by traditional banks, making it a more cost-effective option for international money transfers. Convenient. The Paysend platform is easy to use, with a user-friendly interface and a wide range of supported currencies and countries. Secure. Paysend employs advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. How Paysend compares to traditional banks. Fees. Paysend's fees are generally much lower than those charged by banks, especially for large transfers. Speed. Paysend transfers are typically completed much faster than bank transfers, which can take several days or even weeks. Convenience. Paysend offers a more convenient and user-friendly experience compared to traditional banks. Real-life examples. Supporting family abroad. A migrant worker in the United States can use Paysend to send money to their family back home in the Philippines. Paying for international studies. A student studying abroad can use Paysend to receive tuition payments from their parents. Making online purchases. A shopper can use Paysend to pay for a product from an international online store. Additional features. Paysend Card. The Paysend Card allows you to spend your funds directly from your Paysend account at millions of locations worldwide. Paysend Business. Paysend offers tailored solutions for businesses that need to send and receive money internationally. Paysend is a game changer for international money transfers. Its speed, affordability, and convenience make it a compelling alternative to traditional banks. If you're looking for a faster, cheaper, and more reliable way to send money abroad, Paysend is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.